Hello, everyone. I hope you had a good time. Yesterday, we had a discussion on vocabulary. What are the different ways of learning words? Today, I have come up with a new idea, new concept of developing writing skills along with your speaking skills. As the name of our module is Proficiency Module, which suggests that there should be proficiency in your writing, reading, listening, and speaking. So if you have these four modules clear, in that case, you can go ahead. You can acquire, you can master any language. Now, thing is that because of this pandemic, the method of teaching has been changed. So if you want to go for activity-based learning or teaching, so what can be done? So I have thought of doing something for you people with which you also feel that you also learn something. See, here we don't want to teach, we don't want to discuss. I want you people to learn something, right? So for that purpose, we are going for one activity. Activity is very simple. It's about picture description. I have selected 5 different pictures for you people. You can select any one picture and write 10 sentences about that picture, and then we can discuss about it. But it will be on a different way. For example, if you write on your book, right, in a book or on a paper, I won't be able to see that. I want to guide you people. I want to check where you are stuck up. I want to see that up to what extent you can speak, read, write properly. So for that purpose, we will do it online. So the way we had first lecture, in the same way we'll have this third session on picture description. So what shall I do is I'll share the screen with you people. It is a Google document. You can see this Google document. I'll give you 1 minute time. You read the instructions. I'll allow you, if you have a question or query, you can share through chat. You can share the details. Okay. So for the people, जो लोग फर्स्ट टाइम ये देख रहे हैं उनके लिए आप देखिए, आपको क्या करना है। यहाँ पे मैंने 5 डिफरेंट पिक्चर्स सिलेक्ट की है। If you look at the picture, this is picture number 1, this is picture number 2, this is picture number 3, this is picture number 4, this is picture number 5. आपको इसमें से कोई भी एक पिक्चर सेलेक्ट करना है और उसके बारे में 10 सेंटेंसेस, नॉट मोर नॉट लेस, 10 सेंटेंसेस आपको लिखना है। और आपकी कन्वीनियंस के लिए मैंने सबको एक पेज डेडिकेट किया है। For example, enrollment number 2, Afnan. Afnan can start writing from here. Then second is Isha. Likewise, everybody has a separate page. So all together, you can write, and I can see, I can guide you accordingly. And then we can ask students to speak and share your details. This is what we are going to do today. If you have any question or query, you can write in the chat box. Yes, I'm going to give you the link. When I'll give you the link, you will be able to see the things clearly. Fine. Okay. So if you do not have even Marwadi email ID, if you're logged in with Marwadi's ID, it will be possible for you to check the things. Now screen will be clear. Check everyone. Check this. आप इसमें से कोई भी एक पिक्चर सेलेक्ट कर लो। यहाँ पर पिक्चर्स यहाँ पे ही रहेगी। आपको पिक्चर को आप जूम करके भी देख सकते हो। उसके बाद आपको लिखना है यहाँ पे that I will go for picture 1 और उसके बाद आप लिख सकते हो। ठीक है, लाइक दिस। मैं आपको, अगर आपको बात करना है तो आई हैव गिवन यू परमिशन टू अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। यू कैन अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड यू कैन स्पीक आल्सो इफ यू विश। ऑल 16 पीपल और 46 पीपल, 43 पीपल, जो भी लोग हैं, आप जल्दी से ये चैट बॉक्स में लिंक पे क्लिक करके आप यहाँ पे आ जाओ। यू स्टार्ट राइटिंग। आपको आपके नाम के नीचे लिखना है, फर्स्ट वर्ड लिखना है हेलो। फर्स्ट वर्ड आपको लिखना है हेलो, जिससे मुझे मालूम हो जाए कि आप गूगल डॉक्यूमेंट पे आ गए हो और आपने काम शुरू कर दिया है। ठीक है, सो एवरीवन, फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट इज यू नीड टू राइट हेलो आफ्टर योर नेम। उसके बाद आपको पिक्चर सिलेक्ट करना है। पिक्चर सिलेक्ट करके आपको पिक्चर के बारे में 10 सेंटेंसेस 10 सेंटेंसेस लिखने हैं, ठीक है। और फॉर दैट आई विल गिव यू 10 मिनट्स टाइम एंड योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ। किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम, कोई डाउट हो तो मुझे बोलिएगा, अदरवाइज यू कैन स्टार्ट राइटिंग। पहला काम आपको करना है, आपको लिखना है हेलो करके। वेरी गुड सिद्धार्थ, वेरी गुड, सिद्धार्थ हैज स्टार्टेड। साहिल हैज स्टार्टेड, वेरी गुड। आदित्य कहाँ पे हो आप? सुफियान खान कहाँ पे हो? निदात वेरी गुड स्टार्टेड। सोहन लिखना है आपको। दीपेश वेरी गुड। जय खखर जल्दी से लिखो हेलो। पाथराज आपको लिखना है हेलो। निर्मल, श्रेय, रिया वेरी गुड। जयदीप, प्रदीप यू नीड टू राइट। वैदिक, दक्षित, प्रशांत वेरी गुड। प्रिंस, फोरम वेर आर यू? हर्षल वेरी गुड। रमेश वेर आर यू? राहुल मिश्रा जी लिखो जल्दी से। आर्यन वेरी गुड। जय, प्राची वेर आर यू? अर्चना वेर आर यू? वेरी गुड। पलक, अच्छा इट्स उर्विल, पलक ने नहीं लिखा है। पलक इज राइटिंग नाउ। ओके पलक। दृष्टि, हर्ष, वेरी गुड। विष्णु गुड। हिया, वंदित लिखना है आपको। हेत कीप इट फास्ट। पारस गुड। ज्योति वेर आर यू? स्टार्ट राइटिंग। हेतवी, अमन जल्दी से लिखो। वेरी गुड। शुभम गुड। कश्यप, झील वेर आर यू? गुड। गौतम, क्या क्या सम्यक, दीप, विशान स्टार्ट राइटिंग फास्टर एवरीवन। अगर आपका नाम इसमें नहीं है यू कैन राइट योर नेम, नो प्रॉब्लम। You can select any picture and start writing. Just a minute. Om, you can write. Shreyas, you can write. Isha, pictures are not seen. Okay. आपका एक काम मैं कर सकता हूं. I can share those pictures for you people, right? देख लीजिए. Pictures are visible, clearly visible. ठीक है. Jay, wait for everybody. हर्षल, इन दैट केस आपने मारवाड़ी का लॉगिन नहीं किया होगा. यू नीड टू लॉग इन. फाइन. जो मैंने लिंक शेयर की थी आपके साथ, वो लिंक मैं वापस शेयर कर रहा हूं सबके साथ. उस लिंक पे आपको क्लिक करना है. Somebody else would be trying, that's why it happens. आप देख लो. ध्रुव, शुरू करो. चलो फटाफट. सुफियान, आपने शुरू नहीं किया है अभी तक. सोहन, वेर आर यू? दीपेश, वेरी गुड. जय, आपको वहां पे जाके टाइप करना है. मोबाइल से कर रहे हो तो पेन का सिंबल मिलेगा आपको. हाँ, इट्स ओके. आप देख लो. ठीक है. जय खक्कर, आपके लिए मैं टाइप कर रहा हूं. देखो, डेमो. आई एम डूइंग फ्रॉम मोबाइल. ठीक है. Neither words cannot change automatically. There are 60 people, 50 plus people are working on this document, and you are doing this for the first time. So this can be possible. आप कहाँ पे टाइप कर रहे हो और कहीं पे दूसरी जगह पे टाइप हो जाए. दिस पॉसिबल. सो टेक केयर. आप देख लो, अपने नाम के नीचे आप टाइप करो. ठीक है. डोंट गेट पैनिक. चिंता की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. टेक योर टाइम. राइट, वी हैव इनफ टाइम. प्राची आपने कुछ लिखा नहीं है अभी तक। हेत ने नहीं लिखा है। सी, मेक श्योर दैट यू डोंट डिस्टर्ब एनीबडीज वर्क। यहाँ पे सबका किसने क्या किया है दैट आई कैन सी। फाइन। जो भी आप एक्टिविटी कर रहे हो उसका लॉग मेंटेन हो रहा है, मतलब वो एवर हैज डन फ्रॉम विच एवर ईमेल आईडी दैट आई कैन चेक। So go for only things that you are supposed to do. હેતવી તમારા મોબાઈલમાં રાઈટ હેન્ડ સાઈડમાં નીચે પેનનો છે ને સિમ્બલ છે, એના પર ક્લિક કરશો એટલે ટાઈપ થઈ શકશે એમાંથી. આદિત્ય, you can check your roll number. Your roll number is 9. Hers, you are lucky. कोई दूसरा लिख रहा है, then you are lucky in a way. One minute, I'll check. I know, Subham, this will happen. लेकिन जब बोलोगे तब पता चल जाएगा. आदित्य, आप एक काम करो, रोल नंबर 8 के बाद नेक्स्ट पेज पे कंट्रोल एंटर करके आप अपना नाम लिख दो और यू स्टार्ट राइटिंग. हर्ष, आपके नाम के ऊपर का जो रोल नंबर है उसके बाद आप कंट्रोल एंटर करके अपना नाम लिख दो. ठीक है? ये गूगल का ऐप है, कैसे नहीं चलेगा? सी, आप सबको गूगल डॉक्यूमेंट्स डाउनलोड कर लेना है, गूगल शीट और गूगल डॉक्यूमेंट. इट्स ऑफ 30 MB ओनली, so you can easily download this. Okay, last 5 minutes. We'll check it out. Who has written what till now? It's okay, Palak. Uh, don't get panic. Fine. Drusty, you need to select that pen button, edit button. Unless and until you don't do that, you won't be able to write. and don't write anywhere. Fine. Don't write anywhere. आपके नाम के नीचे ही आपको लिखना है. You make sure that you write there only. वैदिक देख लो क्या हो सकता है. See, Dusty, you need to resolve this issue because I am not there. I cannot help you for this. Trial error से आप देखो. I know that you are students of computer engineering. You can do this. Who is Pradeep? Pradeep, unmute your mic. Pradeep, you check it out. You don't write everywhere.
Okay, sir.
Right?
Sorry for this.
हाँ, जहाँ पे लिखना है वहीं पे लिखो. ठीक है? Okay. This meeting may end in 10 minutes. If it ends, we will rejoin. Subham, let me check. No problem, Hetvi. It's okay. Fine, Jaideep. Noted. Okay. Now, everybody, if you are not logged in with Marwadi's email ID, Jani Shubham, you cannot edit anything with your Gmail ID. You need to log in through Marwadi's ID, right? I cannot give you permission with this. Fine. I'm changing the permission for some time because I want to talk to you people. Yeah, it's okay. Right. Okay. Now our job was very simple. What I wanted you people to do was I wanted to give you a feel that how we can work collaboratively. You are new to the system, that's why I've given you individual task. But in the future also, I can give you a task on a group basis, so they can now work with a group. That is possible. Okay. Now, those who could not write or those who could write, we want to go for talking about description, that what exactly it means. So what shall I do is I'll share the screen of that show that 5 pictures, and based on that, whatever you have written and whatever you want to speak, you can speak one by one if you wish to. First is buzzer round, so you can decide that I want to speak, I want to contribute. Later on I will decide and I will ask you. When I ask you, you will have to speak. Fine. So who will start with? Who will start with? So I know that Subham was the first person to complete this picture description. He mentioned that I am done. So Shubham, will start with you.
Am I audible?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, so I wrote about the third picture, which shows that someone with money can have access to education much easier than someone without money. So this picture shows that uh, how someone with money can go to the top without without how do I say that without so can I see what I have written? I mean,
You can. You can from
but
your
I
yeah. You can move from mobile. You can do that.
no, but I did that with my email ID and now I don't have access of it.
Okay. So you want me to give you permission, right? For time being.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just a second. I can do that. Fine. You can view.
Okay. Wait a minute. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
So this picture shows the power of money and how someone with money can get so much better education than someone without money. We all know how much education costs nowadays. in these times to be someone who gets a hypothetical stares of money, which helps him to get them to the top. Someone without money has to do a lot of work and has to face many more problems to get what they deserve. So it is much harder for them than the person with access to the money. This photo shows how lack of money can kill a genius mind and can help a dumb person to get to the top. But in the end, we all know that diamonds are gonna shine. That's all.
Okay, thank you. Now, if you can nominate somebody.
Uh,
Difficult.
Samyak Shah.
Fine. Samyak. Samyak.
Hello.
Yes, Samyak.
Sir, I haven't to write because the app wasn't working properly in my phone.
Okay. I will share one Paytm number. You transfer 500 rupees, right? No worries. Tell me, because we want to learn, we want to be proficient in English as well as in computer too, right? So we are learning. It's a learning phase. There is no problem, no problem at all. If you could not write, if anybody could not write, right? No problem. So I guess Aditya Kumar, if you can share.